clear promise. Instead of community or support, the promise is simple: visibility that converts without cold outreach. Okay? No more cold outreach. People refer people. People introduce you to other people that they know, like, and trust. Hello, and welcome to the Influence and Growth Mastery Podcast, where high-performing CEOs and entrepreneurs learn to scale smarter. I'm Tanya Gossage, founder of Gossage Consulting and the Power Connectors. Right here, every week, you're going to discover the real strategies in referral marketing, authority building, and AI-powered automation to help you attract high-ticket leads and grow through smart connections, not cold outreach. If your offer needs a spreadsheet to explain it, I'm telling you, it's way too complex. Here's what I've learned after working with multiple CEOs, entrepreneurs, and small business owners. Transformation isn't created by piling on more. Did you hear that? Transformation isn't created by piling on more. It's created by designing offers around one clean, clear outcome. Most service providers overbuild their offers just to justify the price. And I have to tell you, it's not about that. It's not about justifying the price. They pack on more calls, more templates, more access, more bonuses, more, just to make it look like it's worth the price. But all of that more, it dilutes the result and confuses the buyer. I know sometimes we think that it makes it look good for all the list that people see that we're packing on to our deal, but it doesn't. It confuses the buyer. And what's the thing that we've always heard? A confused buyer does nothing, right? So a confused individual doesn't buy, they don't do anything. So the best offers solve one high value problem for the ideal buyer. When your offer is clear, sales become simple. When our offer is clear, sales become simple. When I built the Power Connectors, I didn't start with features. I started with a question. And that question being, what if your visibility didn't depend on constant content? What if instead of shouting online, you were referred into the rooms with the people who were ready to buy, collaborate, or promote you? And I've attempted to build that in my groups or my community on Alignable. Wouldn't it be wonderful if you could just show up into a room of people that were buyers, they're collaborators, they're people who are just ready to start promoting you? And that is what I've tried to build in my communities. And that's what I've designed this membership to be, the Power Connectors. That is my goal of what this thing becomes over time. It's a room of people who are ready to buy, they're ready to collaborate, and they're ready to promote you. They are buyers already. They buy from other people. They could buy from you. They're not going to buy from everybody that is in the directory, but they're going to buy from some. But they're going to refer a lot, and they're going to collaborate. It's not another networking group. Please don't think of it as that. It's not another networking group, but it's a visibility ecosystem for CEOs. And when I say CEOs, anytime you see the word CEO in any of my content, I am not talking about a CEO of a large corporation, a manufacturing company, or anything big like that. If you own your own business, you are a CEO. If you're an entrepreneur, a network marketer, a small business owner, it does not matter. If you are a DBA, an LLC, a corporation, whatever partnership, you are a CEO. And that is the mindset that I am trying to get you to think like. So, not as another networking group, but as visibility ecosystems for CEOs, consultants, and experts who want to grow through connections, not cold tactics. Okay. So, let me break this down for you. The power connectors became a clean, scalable offer using my design to transfer method. So, let me break that down for you. Step one clear promise. Instead of community or support, the promise is simple: visibility that converts without cold outreach. Okay. No more cold outreach. People refer people. People introduce you to other people that they know, like, and trust. Every element that's in the offer is designed to deliver that. People are referring people that they know, like, and trust. Yes, it is my network, but it's also a network that other people have met as well. There's a lot of people that know each other in that network because they're coming from other platforms where people are collaborating. And so, as I mentioned last week, there is a lot of referral transformation already taking place in this circle, if you will. And so, step two, tiered transformation. I structured the offer to meet people where they are and to grow with them. So there may be people today that needs to start with the executive plan, which is the free plan. They get discovered and they start building visibility. The elite plan, that's the middle plan. They start elevating trust. They get featured. They're being found consistently. They're people that, and in fact, I've been referring people at all levels of the plan. So, but they're being found consistently. And then the VIP partner plan, which is the premium exposure, people are can actually get outside leads that just come to the website because of SEO, but that is a partner level visibility that people can get. So you can blog, you can do articles, you can actually do ads, you can add photos, you can do many things from that partnership there, from the VIP partner plan there. So each level solves clear problems and ladders into the next if you start at the bottom and then you begin to elevate yourself up. So, step number 3 is no feature fluff, okay? Every perk ties to a result. We didn't add random bonuses to bulk up the offer. Unlimited posts, priority listings featured to social shares. Every piece was chosen to get people, members, if you will, seen by the right people. That is the whole gist of the whole thing. It is a referral network, okay? A referral partnership network. Step 4, incentivized upgrades with integrity. And here's the part that I'm most excited about. When we hit the 100 members, we've not been live just a really long time, but it's growing. And so as soon as we hit 100 members, I'm opening up a founding member promotion offering lifetime VIP or elite access for half off. One half off of the original price. It will be open for 30 days. And if you're on the executive plan, this will be your opportunity, your chance to lock in long-term leverage at legacy pricing. Because the best offers, they don't just sell, they elevate the people that are inside them. And if your offer today feels heavy, it's not broken, okay? Your offer is not broken if it feels heavy. It is just overbuilt. I have an offer today that we've built that I'm asking myself, is this overbuilt? Is it just right? Does it meet what I teach? because there's a part of me that wants to add some things to it. And so you've got to keep it simple. And here's how you simplify and scale is you clarify the core result and you deliver with lean precision. Okay? Build a path for your people that lets clients upgrade as they grow. That's what the Power Connectors is built to do. And here's what to do next. If you're new, start with the executive plan, free and easy. If you're ready to upgrade to be seen consistently, upgrade to the elite. And if you want to become a referral magnet, go VIP and dominate in your category. There's an example that I've created for my own business. Even though it's my Power Connectors, I've set up my own business in there. I want the SEO myself. I want leads coming to me. Don't forget the founding member promo launches at 100 members. So go set up as free today. Half off Elite, half off VIP for life, available when I launch it for 30 days only. You'll hear about it. Trust me, it will be in my podcast. It will be on LinkedIn. It will be on Alignable. It will be everywhere. It will be on Substack. It will be there where I typically show up. So your future referrals will thank you when you do this, because like I say, when I get somebody that asks me for a referral, that's where I'm going first, is right there. So again, your future referrals will thank you. Next week, we are breaking down referral-based visibility and how to build the connection capital instead of just the content. And so until then, I want you to keep doing this. I say it every week, but it is so needed for you to do this, is continue to build your smart connections, working on big growth with absolutely no burnout. I'm Tanya Gossage, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye. Thanks for tuning in to the Influence and Growth Mastery podcast. If you're ready to attract high-ticket leads, scale with AI, and grow through powerful referral networks, visit my website, gossageconsulting.com. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with any CEO who is ready to simplify, scale, and succeed without the burnout. Until next time, stay influential and keep building smart connections that drive the real growth. See you soon.